Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about soil science. This is me K Venkat Kiran Reddy, agriculture tutorials. Basic soil science bits one by one. Origin and evolution of Earth explained by planetesimal hypothesis. Soil survey is the description, classification and mapping of soils. Method for particle size analysis is pipette method. Best structural soil in field of agriculture is crumbly. Average particle density is 2.65 mg per meter cube. Average bulk density 1.33 mg per meter cube. Chroma is color, value is apparent lightness, U is dominant spectral. Moisture frequently used minus 1 by third bar. Diagnostic survey origins epipedons is 9, subsurface origins endopedons is 18. These bits are very basic, most important for ICR, JRF, NET, all other competitive exams in agriculture, soil science. Soil microbial activity and decomposition of organic matter ceases below 10 degree centigrade. First step in the formation of stable aggregate rate is flocculation. Illate is also called as hydrous mica. Boron contained mineral is called taurolamine. Phosphorus absorber is worm fungi. Vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza. Phosphorus solubilizers are Bacillus pseudomonas, Aspergillus penicillium. Subsurface origin has higher clay percentage than overlying origin due to evolution of arzelic origin. Plasticity is highest for clay. Optimum ODR for better crop growth is 20 into 10 to the power of minus 8 grams per centimeter square per minute. The process of removal of sodium from exchange site is solidization. 2 is to 1 type clay mineral is illite, vermiculite, morlite. 1 is to 1 type of clay mineral is kyanite, halloysite. Method of determination of bulk density is core sample method. Most important mechanism for renewal of soil air is diffusion. Perimetrial relief, topography and time is the passive factor. Climate, vegetation, organisms are the active factors, also called as ectodynamomorphic soils. Number of textural classes in soil textural diagram is 12. Isomorphous substitution dominates Montemorlite, generally vermiculite. Lowest category in soil taxonomy is series. Soil crushing problem in loamy sandy soil. Extending clay mineral is Montemorlite. Non-expanding clay mineral is illite. Soil matcher characteristic curves developed by pressure plate apparatus. Puricite layer present in chlorite. Natural aggregates are called as pits. Broken pits is fragments. These all are the important soil science bits collected by me because for competitive exams and the basic general semester exams also, in the fill in the blanks, in the choose the correct answers, it will be come in everywhere in soil science exams. Core and mass formed within the soil by precipitation is called as concentration. The organic sedimentary rocks are peat, illite, anthracite. Albedo of clay soil is more than sandy soil. Odor is a wet sieving method. Graham is discovered collide. Most dominant cation on exchange complex on normal soil is calcium. Stock means velocity. Stock discovered velocity, soil velocity. Schofield discovered PF and quantity intensity relationship. Vasily discovered rate of flow of liquid. Dokuchaev, modern pedologist. Munsell, soil color. Atterberg's soil moisture limits, fixed diffusion laws, Boyko's hydrometer, Thomas Way CEC, and cation exchange capacity and PE fixation. Micropore less than 0.06 mm, macropore greater than 0.06 mm. Lamination phenomena in metamorphic rocks. Predominant rocks on the surface of earth crust are sedimentary rocks. Ferrous magnesious mica mineral is biotite. Non-ferrous mica mineral is muscovite. Plasticity is more in inorganic colloid. Energy of pure water is zero, increasing with increasing solutes. This is basic soil science important questions. Thank you for listening. Just thoroughly use in silent mode, hearing with earphones. You can listen my words thrice or twice this video. You remember the all the bits in your mind. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.